All right, ladies and gentlemen. I actually figured this one would be P86. Y'all have a safe trip, 2018. Honestly thought I missed him. There. Got here just in time. I guess they're not going to be in too much of in a hurry. Well, number one, they got a restricted signal, and then number two, they're going to be behind 238. Which is nearly 16,000 feet long, and they're going to be able to go all of 30 miles an hour because they never could get their EOT to pick up or communicate. 28T was not a big train. This has to be the shortest 28T I've ever seen. Yeah. Easily the shortest 28T I've ever seen. Easily the shortest. Oh well. A rather short NS 28T. And they're going northbound to go east at Beaumont down the W line. All right.